AllMyCousins.com is a website I created in Node.js and Bootstrap with a IBM Cloudant store on the back end. It's in terms of processing, it's very front end heavy, and the server goes down in the background. It keeps running. So let me show you how it works. You click here to log in with Family Search. Family Search is where the data on your ancestry is stored, and then it starts pulling that information down. If you can see it's finished now. I've got 2 parents, I've got 4 grandparents. If I want to go a little further back, I can go step by step and get a few more ancestors. I can also get the descendants of a particular depth of ancestry. So if I want all the descendants of my great-grandparents, I click here, and you'll notice the color lines up between those two to show the user that those are the descendants of the great-grandparents, or the descendants of the grandparents, and so on. As I keep going, the columns have to get smaller and smaller, so I started by just making them fairly concise at the beginning with some codes, and if you mouse over you can see what those codes mean, so that there was room for people to be able to expand and get lots of their cousins. There's a search system up here which goes through, and as it finds information it throws it into an index. So you can see that there's a few more males that I'm related to than there are females. If I'm interested in finding out how many people have my same name, I can do that, and if I click on one of these, it reduces the numbers here so that I only see the results that apply to those criteria. And anytime there's just one result, I chose to display the name rather than how they're related, but you can still mouse over and see how they're related. And then you can click on a particular one and find out some more information about them, what events happened in their life. And then if we close that, we can get back to where we were before. And closing this, we can go back to our status and see that we're currently working on downloading the second cousins once removed. So again, this site was done with Node.js and Bootstrap, and it is storing information on what users log in on a Cloudant built by IBM store in the back end. So again, even the store is remote, so things can continue running even if I have to restart the server.